lunch that we have here at Lolo Nonoy'S, and it's me, Magnanimous Runner.
And I'm Bizarre Audio.
And welcome to our vlog. Okay, so finally we're able to get out, drop our things at the hotel. And now they suggested that we try the Lolo Nonoy'S here in Coron for our food vlogging. And yeah, we finally ordered. It's served already, and Bizarre Audio requested to have his favorite here is the menudo.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, next order is the dinuguan. What is it? Dinuguan? Yeah,
I think
pig blood stew.
So dinuguan next.
And next is the
No. Please let us know. Drop a comment down below.
comment down below for what is like.
Oh wait, I know. Edos. It's called. I forgot. It's called Edos.
Okay, we're done with it.
Edos. Yes. Okay.
And we ordered also for a
Dying the bones.
daing na bango.
Okay, there we go.
So
kain po tayo.
And then I'm gonna be squeezing this calamansi with the toyo for the dip of our fried milkfish. Alright. Let's eat finally.
Let's eat. Okay. Let's try.
Bizarre Audio.
Of course, I can. You know what I'm gonna start with, right? Oh, I can hear the crunching right. You know it's gonna be good. Yeah, we are so happy to share with you our food excursions.
Very crunchy outside, but soft and juicy inside.
Dying the Bangos is a winner. Try the menudo. Oh my god. The menudo is another winner. That dinuguan is also awesome.
And I have a surprise for you. You know what I ordered? And it's available already.
Sinigang.
Yes.
Or oh my god. We have to taste this.
I like the laing.
Yeah, it's different, right? The only thing is that this is supposed to be boneless, right? So we need to remove it. Everything's perfect so far.
Have you tried the mango?
No, I have not. Let's try it.
Try it.
Here. This is their version of the mango shake, right? Mango shake. Wow. Wow. This is so good. Oh, sorry.
This place is heaven. It looks like a family prepared food for you
Yeah.
when you arrive from a vacation.
It's home cooked meals.
Yes, home cooked meal.
Good taste, good quality. Awesome.
Homey,
Mm-hmm.
homey feeling.
Yeah. This dang na bangos is just... I want to get a doggy bag and bring it home. That's how good it is. So, wow. Wow. I think we got lucky here. I was not expecting this again. I was expecting like average, but
Of course, I'm waiting for the sinigang. There you go. The sinigang is coming. Can you order more?
one more rice.
Yes.
Pork sinigang po.
Dito na lang po.
Thank you.
Oh, man. And let me order kami ng kanina.
So, ilan po isang extra rice?
It's not for rice here.
Ah,
And here it is. There's sinigang.
thank you, ate.
What are the ingredients again of our Lolo Nonoy'S sinigang?
Yeah, I think this is a pork sinigang.
Okay, so it's a pork sinigang.
Mostly it has bones on it.
Okay,
And
so
then,
those are
of
probably neck bones.
Yes, neck bones. And the basic are ingredients like the swamp cabbage, string beans,
Okay, kangkong, they
green
have the-
pepper,
okay,
and
green
and
pepper,
I think it has
onion,
and then-
tomato,
and tomato, and I think it has gabi on it.
gabi.
Yes,
Okay,
and the tamarind soup.
tamarind.
Okay.
Okay, so let's.
It's not the typical. It's not the typical.
Yeah. Okay, I mean,
Yeah. But
got
it's
9
still
out of
fine.
10.
Yes.
Yeah, the sinigang is okay. It's alright. We're waiting for more. We were expecting a little bit more
sour.
sour, more. You know, we tried. At least with Coron sinigang. But the daing de bangos, the menudo, the dinuguan, they're all good. And even the mango,
Yeah.
they're all good. It's not really that bad. It's just it needs more sourness.
Yeah, we're just really looking for a more sour sinigang. It's fine. I think the
If you eat it with rice, it really tastes good already. Actually, it has an aftertaste. It has like the spicy. You see, one sip, I don't think it'll taste it.
right.
It's a little the spicy. What's the word? Maanghang.
By the way, this is just like a neighborhood turo-turo or restaurant. So I'm not really expecting that fanciness, but it turns out that the food is really well cooked and prepared.
It's not that bad, you know, not that bad.
Yeah.
And Coron did not disappoint so far.
Even though we just started here.
Yeah.
It's just arrived a while ago.
Not even 2 hours, and we are already amazed by the food here. Now let's take a toast for this restaurant, which we discovered, and it turned out very good. I'm so glad, and the scenery.
Scenery-wise, yes. It is really amazing. And that's it. Okay.
Yes, sir. We're just waiting for the halo halo.
Okay, guys. So
Our
we're
final dessert. We're about to leave, but light bulb went up and said, "Halo, you can't miss." And here
Here
it
it
is.
goes.
Oh, brother.
Kakainin na rin po ng bill ha.
The timing is so good. Halo, halo. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, look at that. Eat your heart out. Ooh. Okay, sir.
Okay, so while this our order is showing the halo halo to you guys, we're gonna be
really?
mixing.
Alright.
And they have pinipig also.
Jackfruit. Pinipig. Pinipig is crispy rice. So pinipig is right there. Pinipig. Kain po tayo. Wow. For the hot weather here in Palawan, nothing beats the halo halo. Oh, there's always space for this. So what is your prediction for this dish?
Not really sure because this is province and I know this is not fancy too.
I would say
Less than what I'm thinking right now.
I would say 650.
I would say 700.
700? Okay, 650. I wager 650. Magnanimous wager 700. Let's see how much the cost.
And let's see who guessed nearest to the actual.
Yeah. This is, remember, this is Coron, Palawan. Let's see the cost, the price.
We have menudo, we have laing, we have bangus, we have dinuguan, 3 rice. Oh, it's before rice.
Huh?
Before rice.
For rice, so corrected. No, there's an extra rice.
Oh yeah. And mango shake and sinigang, and that is 910.
910, so we're both wrong.
But I'm the nearest.
But I think it was pretty good.
This one, thank you. And my rating for this one is 7.5.
Okay.
Yeah, 7.5 because
Okay.
I am a sinigang lover and I really wanted a sinigang that is more sour than what
So
is
that's what destroyed you, right?
yeah. That fried bangus will add 0.5 and that makes 8.0.
8.0.
Okay, that's it.
Me, I grade this place. Believe it or not, an 8. I like the quality of the food. I like the taste. Same with you. The sinigang just needs to be a little bit more sour. If it was a little bit more sour, oh gosh, this would have been a 9. I mean, considering. But the value is.
Okay guys, and that concludes our lunch vlog for today. Lolo Nonoy'S is a must visit here in Coron. That's
Thank you for joining us, and we hope you can join us again in our next vlog.
that's very energetic.
Thank you for dining with us, and I hope you can join us again in our next vlog. Our next food adventure.
Okay,
Yeah? Our next food adventure.
okay, repeat. And that concludes our lunch vlog for today here at Lolo Nonoy'S in Coron, Palawan. So don't forget to share, like, give us comments down below, and subscribe on our channel, Magnanimous Runner and Desirable Coron. Peace out, guys. Bye!